It's peach season in Georgia, so I'm making a moonshine drunken peach cobbler cake with a moonshine peach drizzle. Let's go. You need Krusteaz cinnamon swirl mix, half a stick of margarine, some peach moonshine, ow, some eggs, and 1 egg and 2/3 cups of milk. I don't follow box directions. Pour all the contents of that cake mix inside a bowl, the half a stick of margarine, 1 egg, and 2/3 cups of milk. Okay, again, I don't follow box directions. Mix it completely until you don't see powder anymore. It's going to be a little pasty. Spray your pan with Baker's Joy. It's the best. Spread half of that mixture onto your pan, just half, not the whole thing, because you're going to throw peaches in the middle of that. Nice and even layer of peaches, and then you're going to put the crumble, which that came in the box, half of that crumble on top of those peaches, and you're going to spread it evenly. This is going to be the middle of your cake, so you're going to spread that evenly until it's completely incorporated, and then you're going to go ahead and take the rest of that mixture, spoon it on top, and then you're also going to spread that evenly on top. Take that last bit of that crumble, get that on top, and spread that evenly, and then we're going to bake this at 350 for 45 minutes. Take it out and cool it completely. Now take a 1/3 cups of that moonshine, ow, howl at the moon, cause woo, it could hit you in the chest. Take that and mix some powdered sugar in there. I do about 2 cups of powdered sugar because that's a lot of moonshine I put in there, so you want it thick. So you're going to throw some of those peaches in there from that moonshine, and you're going to mix it until it's thick like that. And then guess what we're going to do? Drizzle all over the cake. All right, so if you like this recipe, like, comment, share this content. Follow me on all social media platforms at Pink Grits, okay, with a Z, PINKGRITZ, and I love you for free.